This 2022 Forest River Cherokee Arctic Wolf Suite 3770 SUITE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Bunker Hill, in 46,914 and is offered for sale by RV Dynasty. This new Forest River is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 5, slideout, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, 2 entry/exit doors. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by RV Dynasty, visit RVUSA.com.